animals. Like I love my animals, and I got my sister over here.
That's not how you make a video, and I'm not gonna show you how to post it because even though you post it, you have to do something, and you're gonna confuse yourself because you're gonna post.
So my sister is right here. You wanna hold the camera?
Nope.
So she is right here. She's a bad girl. Wait, after when this video is done.
No, we're just gonna go through there.
Okay. So we're going through something. So I don't know which through it is, but I think it's through here. It's Snoopy.
He's over there.
So we're right here. So it's we don't know if we're going to the pumpkin patch today, but we're gonna find out.
Can I tell you why Daddy put this kid?
Why?
The horses have to stay on that side, but the goats can get here and eat here without the horse biting them. When the horse is biting them, I don't care because
this is Stallion right there, the brown,
Stallion.
and then that one's over there with the black and white. It's Oreo. We called it Oreo because it's black and white.
Do you think he's posting on YouTube?
Why?
Because
What, you mad?
Yeah.
What happened?
It's not all about you that's of videos. You just want your friends to make you look cool. But no, that's not cool at all what you're trying to do.
Julie, please. I'm not trying to do that. I just want to make
You know, you're still doing that.
Oh no. Sorry about that. I'm cuckoo. But yeah, she is. Yeah, she is. 100%. Those are my dad. That's my dad and my T.O. My T.O. T and then T.O.
You know, this is not mine. This is mommy.
Uh-oh, sorry. No laughing in this comment below. Okay, so. Okay. Comment below what's your favorite animal from this ranch. Yes. Oh, I forgot to show you the chicken coop. It's right in there.
We haven't showed the chicken coop
In ever in videos. So I'm gonna go show it right over here. It's over here.
you know?
Huh? Yeah, but he's all the way over there. So here are our chickens. Here are our chickens. All of them are in the chicken coop, pecking on food. Is there any eggs over here? Is there any eggs? Nope, no eggs. No eggs for a long time. Hey, maybe there's some eggs over there. But I need to find a palo to do it.
Over here.
No, this one's the best. So,
Let me hold the video.
hold the video. Yeah. Because it's going to break. So she's going to attack the rooster.
Nope, I'm not attacking the rooster.
I'm just kidding, she's not. So she's being brave today. She's being brave. Like a real cowgirl. I'm holding it. She's being brave. She's being brave. Super brave. Aren't you? So she's being super brave today. I mean, like, super brave.
There she is.
Come on. Did you find one? Did you? Oh. So, the rooster gets really mad. I'm really mad. Oh my God, Stallion's looking. He's eating. There's a bunch of sticks, which is new.
By the way,
Where?
here.
Where?
Here, in my hand.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Yeah. Why? So help me find a piece of wood. There's a bunch of animals. I forgot to introduce my dog. Where is my dog?
Give me the video. Give me the video.